Masquera say Muri Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kiutanka goku hapa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchiwaka waka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Muri Zimbabwe itabigai NeHama rumors za kusekeleta pa social media ayo Arkunze, the former wife of the Zimbabwe's Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, Mary Mubaiwa and Ashaika. So family ya Mary Mubaiwa yabuda achitaura pamusoro PaNyaya iyi vachitaura ivo vachiri these rumors they are not true. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiri these reports they were fabricated muri Zimbabwe. So the Mubaiwa's family yakabuda achitaura the DzaMarry vachitaura ivo vachiri they urge the public kuti vawanikwe vachi tanga vainforma ne mafamily nevanhu vane first hand information before misleadwa into believing zvinhu zvisirizo muZimbabwe. Zvinomira mushe Mary Mubaiwa mazuva apfuura anga ari kuengage in a long and painful battle for access for her children kubva pavakaseparata naChiwenga for 5 years. So pane nyaya dzake dziri kufamba legal struggles ake ayo again attention emaZimbabweans vakawanda varikutaura ivo vachiti Mary Mubaiwa ari kufanira kusupportwa since even majudges ari kufanira kunzwira tsitsi Mary kumupa mutongo wakakodzera muri Zimbabwe. Tofunga takaona Mary Mubaiwa akaonekwa achibviswa gumbo neruoko mushure mekunge arwara nechirwere chelymphodema muri Zimbabwe. So family yaMary Mubaiwa yabuda ichitaura yachiti misinformation false information is spread over social media and it is only adding to your burdens and zvinomira mushe zvakutomuaffecta even mentally and ane depression muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga pane mumwe rumors akanga akabudawo zvakare zvichinzi one gumbo ranga asana vanzi rakabviswa zvakare but family yaitaura chiti no, that is not true. Ndofunga takangoona mavideos Mary Chiwenga akacirculata achiatenda the court pamusoro penyaya yake. So zvanzi Mary is alive. Marumors ekuti afa ndeekunyepa. Nyaya yakabuditswa neDzaMarry vachitaura ivo vachiti rumors circulating on social media falsely claiming that Mary Mubaiwa, former Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's wife, has died are entirely untrue. Her family is confirmed. Responding to the fabricated reports, Mubaiwa's family spoke to DzaMarry to set the record straight and urged the public to disregard manipulated images and false screenshots suggesting her death. This wave of misinformation is only the latest in a series of false claims that have targeted Mubaiwa, who has faced considerable challenges over the past few years. Previously, other online reports alleged without basis that Mubaiwa's remaining leg had been amputated. According to the family members, these rumors have no truth and appear to be malicious attempts to worsen her already difficult situation. Mary Mubaiwa has been engaged in a long and painful battle for access to her children since her separation from Chiwenga 5 years ago. Her ongoing legal struggle has gained significant attention in Zimbabwe, with many expressing support and empathy for her plight. Observers believe that these persistent falsehoods could be the work of her adversaries, who may be attempting to undermine her standing or worsen her suffering in the public eye. Frustrated by these ongoing rumors, Mubaiwa's family emphasized that the spread of false information is only adding to her burdens. They have called on public to verify any claims before sharing them online to avoid further distressing the family and Mary herself with baseless speculations. As this situation remains challenging, the family appreciates the support from those who have shown concern, while urging that any future claims about her health be treated with caution and respect. Nyaya yakabuditswa neDzaMarry muri Zimbabwe. Tikaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi, tibvunzei zvamuri kufunga mucomment section. Zvamufunga mangoona muri Zimbabwe video takuradzaiyo Mary Mubaiwa achiatenda the magistrate court for Nyaya yari kupomerwa attempted murder on the vice president Constantino Chiwenga. So mufunga mangozvionera kuti Mary is alive but her health is deteriorating muri Zimbabwe. A lot of people are saying Chiwenga ari kuuraya Mary achifamba. Yabuditswa neZimai vachitaura vachiti Mary Mubaiwa, former wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, now faces severe health struggles after the amputation of her left leg and right hand. She is confined to a wheelchair, a condition deteriorating while she remains entangled in a relentless legal battle. Despite her frail health, Chiwenga continues to pursue charges against Mubaiwa for alleged attempted murder and money laundering. On Monday, Mubaiwa appeared in Harare Magistrates Court in a wheelchair, where Attorney Beatrice Mutetwa filed for a permanent stay of prosecution due to a deteriorating condition. Mutetwa argued that continuing with the trial would be unjust given Mubaiwa's health challenges. My client is extremely sick and unable to give proper instructions due to her conditions, said Mutetwa, emphasizing that Mary is in constant pain, heavily medicated and often sedated. The attempted murder charges stem from the accusations that Mary tried to unplug Chiwenga's life support system while he was hospitalized in South Africa. The application argues that there has been an unreasonable delay in proceedings and that Mary's declining health should make any further prosecution unjust. The applicant's health has materially deteriorated to an extent that it would not be in the interest of justice to persist with the criminal prosecution, raised the application. The state requested a postponement to review the defense application. Presiding magistrate Ms. Feresi Chakanyuka deferred the ruling to November 22. During previous hearings, former Health and Child Care Deputy Minister Dr. John Mangwiro testified that Chiwenga's health would decline whenever Mary visited him during his hospital stay. According to Dr. Mangwiro, each time Chiwenga was taken out of the country for treatment, he would initially recover, only to deteriorate again when back home. He claimed that Mary would insist on taking Chiwenga to a hotel instead of a hospital, reportedly saying he wanted to rest, even when advised it was dangerous. Mary Mubaiwa's case highlights a bitter reality. A woman now severely disabled, financially struggling and physically wasting away is still forced to defend herself in court against accusations from one of the nation's most influential figures. Despite her dire condition, she continues to seek justice with little to no support from the state that her ex-husband represents. This prolonged legal battle underscores a stark contrast between the privileged lives of the elite and the unrelenting struggles of those out of favor, even those once connected to power. Mary's plight is a chilling reminder of the high cost some pay in Zimbabwe's political landscape. Ndonya yakabuditswa neZimai muri Zimbabwe anomira mushe tudze zvamufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section. Vamwe vakutaura vachiti Mary is wrong, vachitaura ivo vachiti aida kuuraya VP, aida kutora mari yaVP the same way yaakaita Shingi Kaondera. Zvinzi so karma is now affecting it. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya tudze zvamurufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.